Hello, I'm recording this on my iPhone because YouTube fucks up videos when I upload them on my webcam, so, yeah.
I got a confession to make. I don't rush a day. Commitment is an enemy to me. But ever since your lips touched my face, it's like a Christmas list. I'm beat. I usually like to slow down the pace. Love to tease and play. But girl, I need to be direct with you. 'Cause in my mind your fortune's been changed. Like a broken tape. What you do